In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change gender on Talkie AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your character reflects the gender you want. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you find the official site quickly and safely. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. Look for the official Talkie AI result in the search list. It should be clearly labeled and lead you to the platform's homepage. Click that result to open the site. Once you're on the homepage, find and select the option labeled Create a Talkie. This is the entry point to building and editing characters. It may appear as a prominent button or in the main navigation, and it will take you into the creation area. Inside the creation interface, choose the character you want to update. Pick the one whose gender you intend to change so you're editing the correct profile. Taking a moment to double-check the character name and thumbnail helps you avoid making changes to the wrong one. With the character open, look to the left side panel. You'll see a collection of settings that control how your character is defined and presented. Among these options, locate the gender setting. This is where you'll make the change, and it's designed to be straightforward. Click the gender setting and choose the option that fits your character: male, female, or non-binary. Select the choice that best aligns with how you want the character to be identified in the app. If you're refining an existing character's persona, consider how this change supports their backstory, tone, and style, so everything stays consistent. After you've made your selection, apply the change by clicking Save. This confirms your update and ensures the new gender setting is stored with the character profile. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your choice won't persist. That's it. You opened Google, searched for Talkie AI, went to the official site, entered the creation area, selected your character, adjusted the gender setting on the left panel, chose male, female, or non-binary, and saved your changes. Your character's profile now reflects the gender you selected, and that setting will carry through wherever the character appears within Talkie AI. If you ever want to revisit this, you can return to the same panel and update it again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize your character with confidence.